everyone, so today's recipe is going to be jerk chicken. Well done, seasoned to the bones, oven jerk chicken. It's flavorful, it's juicy, it's absolutely mouth-watering. So first thing first, here I have some nicely washed leg quarters, and to this I'm going to season with some salt, my favorite dry jerk seasoning, which consists of all the fine ingredients to make a great jerk, allspice, ginger, garlic, the whole 10 yards. And you could feel free to use your black pepper, your onion powder, what you have available. So here I have my homemade jerk seasoning. A link will be provided on how I make this, and this is blended scallion and thyme, pimento seed, scotch bonnet pepper, the whole works, and this is smelling really so good. Also, I'm going to add a bit of browning to give the chicken that beautiful color, and I am going to mix this in. Make sure the seasoning go in every crevice, every corner. This is going to be some really flavorful, well seasoned jerk chicken. So now I'm going to cover this down for at least 2 hours so the marinade could soak through the bones. So after sitting and marinating, I'm going to place this into a container, and when I tell you, this is smelling really good. So now to our preheated oven, I'm going to allow these to jerk uncovered for about 1 hour and 20 minutes at 200 degrees. I'm going to add the remaining marinade to the bottom of the pan because nothing goes to waste. 50 minutes in, and this is looking good already, and it's not even done as yet. I'm going to use the juice that it have created, and I'm going to give it a base, and this will help to keep it nice and moist. And when I tell you how good this is smelling, oh my goodness, the smell from the flavors from the jerk is just so outstanding. Now I'm going to flip these over so both sides could get that charcoal jerk effect, and back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes, setting the oven temperature at 250 degrees. These are looking really good. So now that both sides are nicely jerked, I'm going to flip them on this original side and back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. So between 1 hour and 10 minutes and 1 hour and 20 minutes, these are done, looking just as if they were jerk on the grill outside, not to mention the smell. Oh my word. And they don't even have to chop these. The chopper just went all the way through. These were perfectly done, and you could serve this with anything of your choice. I'm going to have this with some delicious Jamaican rice and peas. And that's it. My recipe of oven jerk chicken. I really doubt this could taste any better. This was juicy, it was flavorful. Seriously, this was just absolutely delicious. And if you like this video, please do not leave without clicking the like button. A full written recipe will be listed down below in the description box. I want to thank you so very much for watching.